咖啡师不要说成 coffee maker。
Hey, coffee maker, coffee maker.
Sorry, but are you talking to me?
Of course.
But I'm not a coffee maker.
Okay, waiter.
Excuse me? So, please don't call 咖啡师 coffee maker or waiter in English, because coffee maker is a machine instead of a human being, and waiter is 服务生, not 咖啡师. The right word here is barista. Barista. However, this word is more like a description of a job instead of a title. In daily life, when you want to order coffee, you could just say, excuse me, or hi, can I get an iced Americano without ice, please? 你学会了吗？学会的话，不要忘记双击屏幕给汤汤老师点赞哦。